So what we're going to do is show you how I got that rafter there from where the ridge is fixed and obviously the plate's fixed, so I don't really know what the pitch is. The bird's mouth is a third, so a third across there we've got 100 mil, so it's like 33 mil. The bird's mouth, which is obviously around here, I'm going to stick it at the top, and then just to make it a little bit easier, I'm going to bang a nail in on that line.
Oh, I see, yeah.
So now, when I put this alongside one that I've already done,
yeah.
and again, the top angle, I just guessed that, it's just to begin with, just to get it closer. That line up there that we got, I want that top of ridge. So now the rafter's sitting exactly where it's going to go.
Got it.
And then when it goes down, it's all going to go down bodily together. You could use a bit of 2x2, 4x2. We're going to scribe it in down there like that. That's our plumb cut. And then the same thickness off of the plate there.
So you need that to be vertical?
Yes, plumb with on the plate there. Yeah. So now we've got our 2 plumb cuts. So we still don't know what pitch it is. We've done 33 mil roughly. So we go 33 mil out there. That's our plumb cut. Square off that line. So if I extend that one through there, and then square off that line there to give us our bird's mouth. Right. So I'm going to cut that out because we come at the same thickness there as there. Yeah, so I'm just going to trim that up because it's wound up a little bit long. When I fixed that ridge, I've just done it a little bit longer, and now we can put that round on the side there, keep the top of that level with the ridge, and that will give us our length of ridge. And I'm just going to cut that off in place.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Because I didn't know what the pitch was or anything, so it's just as easy to stick it on there, but I've got to cut some brickwork out. But we can get that up there, mark the ridge, cut it off, and there we
That's
go.
It. Away you go.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
But yeah, it's just wound up.
So that's a way of doing it. If you don't know the angle, you haven't got any of those tools.
As long as you keep the top above your ridge, the same as what you're going to come down now. A few chaps ask sometimes how you start off.
Yeah.
You know, how do you get the angle when, like here, that's going to be bricked up a little bit more, but that ridge is fixed and obviously the plate's fixed, so I don't know the...
yeah, because you've got to be a certain height below those windows.
We actually got that window up there.
Yeah.
These windows are going to be bricked up, so we've got about nearly 300 mil down. So we've got plenty of room there for tiles are going to go on top, and down there going to be probably 200 mil of lead, so it's usually around 150. That's 0.1 out.
Oh, is it 0.1 of a degree out? What are you going to do?
Start again.
Wait for an earthquake.
Yeah.